Hello again. There is a possibility that with the challenges we're going to be facing in the next few days and perhaps weeks, there are going to be individuals who were not planning to be here Pesach and perhaps are not going to feel comfortable bringing in help to make Pesach. So this is just a reminder that a significant amount of cleaning that is done for Pesach is not really necessary. It's spring cleaning, which is not a halachic requirement, but when it comes for the cleaning for Pesach, what you are looking for is a kezait of chametz, meaning it has to have some significance. Crumbs, and especially crumbs that were stepped on or the crumbs that are dirty, are not chametz. So therefore, it is very nice to stick to customs, but perhaps this year we could take into consideration the fact that circumstances are unique, and let's tone down the cleaning if indeed it impacts our life or sanity. Let's be aware of that. So please, this is a halachic message, but I think an important one. Use some common sense, don't overdo it, and perhaps we'll have an opportunity to address a few other issues. For now, a good night to everyone, and we should hear good news. Take care. Bye-bye.